Hey guys, this is Waylon from RMAC Tactical here to give you a quick rundown of the Glock 43X. The 43X is a slim, compact carry with a larger grip, making it easier to handle. It feels like a thin version of a Glock 19. It has a beaver tail that really does its job removing slide bite if you choke up on it. It has two 10-round mags right out of the box. It has an NDLC finish, making it more durable, especially fighting the weather or sweat. Less rust, more gooder. The mag catch is reversible for people who are left-handed. Hopefully this rundown gives you a little bit more info about Glock's 43X.